Alright guys, so I'm going to put these clips in my hair, that way all my hair is out of the way. So as you guys can see, my brows are done. I already concealed them and I put some translucent powder. This is my baby right now. So now let's go into the eye look, and I'm going to go for a matte smoky eye look. So everything is going to be matte, no shimmers, no glitter, matte. Today's all about the matte. So I'm going to take out my James Charles palette. As I previously mentioned, I really like this palette. I got the mini one versus the original size, and I'm obsessed with the mini palette simply because it comes with the mirror and it's also travel friendly. So those were two things that I was just like, I'm hooked. So first I'm going to go in with is this fluff brush from Moda Pro. I'm literally obsessed with their brushes right now, and it's perfect for blending out all the shades. And I'm just going in the outer V, just going in windshield wiper motions, bringing it into my inner corner, and again just going back and forth, back and forth. Next I'm going to go in with a more tapered brush from Moda Pro. This is the MBX 466 brush, perfect for shading. Here I am just tapping the shade as opposed to swiping it back and forth or blending it in circular motions. I'm simply just tapping the shade in the outer V. Now here's where I look a little bit crazy, but don't worry, we're going to be blending now. I'm going to be taking my Luxie Beauty 250 blending brush to blend these shades together and have a seamless finish. So I like to go with a clean base when it comes to my brushes, and I'm blending them out. There's absolutely no product on this brush at all, but I am going to apply the first shade that we went in with and apply it that way. I'm literally just dipping into it once. So now you have that nice finish. Once you blended everything out, you still have that dimension at the outer V because you applied the darker shade, but everything is just nice and blended together. Next I'm going to go in with the dual-ended brush from Urban Decay. I'm just going to go back in with the first brush we went in with and blend everything together. Now I'm going to go in with the angled brush from Moda Pro. This is the BMX 498 line brush, and we're going to do like a smoky liner look. So I'm just applying it above my lash line where I would normally apply liquid eyeliner. I'm a liquid eyeliner person versus gel or pencil, so I don't have liquid liner to replace what I'm about to do. Instead we're going to do a smoky look, so I'm just going to take the black eyeshadow, apply it above my lash line like so, and we're going to angle it the way we would with liquid liner. Now I'm going to smudge out the liner a little bit. This is the BMX 402 smudger brush, and we're just going to go in with no shadow on it and just smudge out the liner look. Now I'm going to apply some mascara, apply falsies, and because I recently received some new foundations thanks to my great friend, I'm going to be doing my face routine on camera. So let's get it. Okay guys, I am back and I have on my falsies. One day I will be doing a little how to put on falsies for you guys on Instagram. I definitely have that planned, but for now we're just gonna do them off camera. So as I've mentioned, I did get a sweet gift from my friend, and she went to Colorado. Not that these products or this brand is from Colorado, but on her way back she decided to get me these two foundations, and I swatched them on my hand and I'm like, oh my gosh, she matched me perfectly. So we're gonna see how they look on my face. I'm leaning towards the 390. She got me the 320 and 390. This is the Revlon Colorstay Full Coverage Foundation, and it's in matte. So again, 320, 390. We're gonna try out the 390 on my face today. Again, shout out to my friend. You know who you are. Thank you very much. I'm so grateful. So let's do this. So I know I look crazy, but I want to tell you that when I did swatch these shades on myself before, they were super velvety. Right now you can tell like they're extremely velvety. This is $3.90 and this is $3.20. $3.90, $3.20. I just want to show you guys. It feels super velvety. I kind of applied too much. But those are the shades next to each other. As you can see, this is like a pink undertone. This is more of like an olive undertone. And I'm going to try out a mixture of both of them. Now I'm going in with my beauty blender to blend the foundation nicely together. I like using a brush first because it's a faster application, but I don't like to finish off with a brush, at least the brush that I own for foundation, just because you can see a lot of the brush strokes, and with a beauty blender it just has a nice seamless finish. Okay, so this is the foundation blended out. Like I said, I think my friend did a very nice job matching the shade perfectly to my skin tone. I did end up using both of them, as I mentioned that I would do, just because one is a lot lighter than the other, and both of them separately is like either too light or too dark. So mixing them was perfect. Now we're going to move on to concealer. I'm actually really looking forward to setting this up because since it's a mattifying foundation and you're going to set it with translucent powder, I think it's going to really do its justice. So we're going to go in some concealer. I use the Age Rewind concealer. I'm going to go in with some translucent powder to set my concealer in place. Now I'm going with the Baked Bronzer from Milani Cosmetics. This is in the shade Soleil. And I'm just going with a fluffy angled brush. So while I have my bake, I'm going to go in with the James Charles palette yet again. We're going to go back in with the first two shades that we went in with previously. And we're just going to put it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to apply some mascara on my bottom lashes. Now I'm going to take this big fluff brush and just dust off my bake. I always manage to get foundation, powder, concealer on my brows since I do my brows first. So I'm just going to go in with my spoolie and touch it up a little bit. Now I'm going to apply some blush. Since I love blush, sometimes I do get a little carried away, so I take my beauty blender to tone it down just a little bit. If you guys haven't noticed, I do apply blush on my nose too. It just gives an appearance like a cute look. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with it lately. So it's just the way I put on my makeup. And again, I could get carried away, so I just go in with the beauty blender to tone it down a little bit. Now it's time for lips. We're almost done with this look, guys. I'm going to moisturize my lips with the ASOS lip balm. This is in Strawberry Sorbet. I'm going to go in with the lip pencil from NYX Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Urban Cafe. Now for lipstick, I'm going to go with a mattifying lipstick, and this is from L'Oreal Ultra Nude 984. This is from their Color Rich collection. Alright guys, that concludes today's video, a matte smoky eye makeup look. I have been obsessed with smoky eye makeup looks lately that I knew I had to recreate something today. So I really hope you guys like this makeup look, and if you did, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know down below if you guys have any future suggestions for future videos. I loved making this tutorial for you guys. If you guys like the tutorial, like the makeup look, again, leave me a big thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, then what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. I'll see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to keep on slaying. Bye.